Hey Jammer, Sora Sky here, and today I'm going to be bringing you your Monday giveaway. And today I'm going to be giving these three lucky contestants on here a rare. So, without further ado, let us get in. So, first we got Wolves Rock 13. Alright, let's see what we can give them. I will also be ranting a little bit here because a lot of people seem to misinterpret the word giveaway as to what a giveaway is. Now, I'm not insulting anybody, I'm not pointing fingers. I'm just saying a giveaway is literally somebody who gives stuff away for free and has a plethora, or for those who don't know what that word means, an expansion of items. I give it to them for free, and they go home happy. So now we have the Weird Puppy. Let's see if I got any non-member rares. Or maybe they can use it for their own giveaway. Oh no! No! I will be right back. Alright, we got the problem fixed, and here they go. So now they get a free rare for whatever they want. And that is a giveaway. It also seems that we got a gift from Wolves Rock, LOL 13. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love them. Aww, it's so cute. I'm gonna put them on right now. Oh, that was to the person that was in here. Don't mind that. I'm gonna put them on right now. Look at them! Aren't they cute and precious? Oh, I love them so much. If only my game would stop lagging for a minute. But like, look! Aren't they cute? Alright guys, that will be the end of this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If I can improve anything, let me know. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.